This is Sam. I am Sam. Sam, I am. He's a puppy mill survivor too. Hey, guy. Okay. Let's get him down. See what he does. Hey, buddy.
You're okay.
Sammy, can you come say hi? Hey. Come on, no. Oh, he says, I'd like the loving, but I'm just not going to go for it. Huh? Hmm? Oh. He's like, Gil, can you get me out of here, please?